Okay, so now I'm going to teach you how to do the chorus for single ladies, okay? If you like it, then you got to put a ring on it, okay? Table's away. Okay. All right, so what do we do first, okay? We were kind of holding our pose, right? If you were here, or you were here, or you were here, we're holding our pose until the chorus starts. If you like it, okay? So then the first, if you like it, your knee kind of goes out. You're kind of popping your knees out. It's kind of like walking, but more like also opening knees at the same time. If you're Beyonce in heels, okay? So so you just do 1 and 2 and your arms are going out in, out in. Okay, so that's the first part. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, you put your hand out and you point to the ring. Okay, and then of course, if you're Beyonce, you're gonna go down and head pop also for the first count of 8. Okay, so let's do that part from the beginning. Okay, if you like it, then show the pose for you on it. Okay, that's the first count of 8. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then you put your arms down. Your feet do the same thing, but without the arms. Okay, so the second count of 8, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold 7, and now for 8, your arm comes around and slaps your hand, okay, kind of like a clap that brings it around your head, okay, and also moves your body around, okay? So we just did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so after the first time, hips, head. Second time, we just walk it or knee pop it. Point to the ring. 5, 6, 7. Slap it for 8. 1, 2. It goes around your head. Now this arm stays by your head, whereas this arm is going to come slap your hip 3 times, while your heel is also doing tap, tap, tap. Okay, so your hand is going slap, 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 while your heel is going heel, heel, heel. Okay, so this was 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, 3 times. 6, 7, 7. Okay, let's do it from the beginning. Ready? If you like it, then you should put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should put a ring on it. Don't forget when you see that he wanted it. Okay, so now this is he wanted. Okay, slap it 3 times. And then this hand that was slapping goes on the hip. The hand that was behind your head goes out, and we're kind of in our teapot pose again, right? And this is for the last count of 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? But during this count of 8, we're gonna use it to get into a circle, okay? Because let's say we're, I don't know, how many girls are we doing this? 5, 6, 2, 3, doesn't matter. Everyone uses this last count of 8, instead of just doing do, do, we're gonna use it to walk around into a circle, okay? And now we're gonna do her next Beyonce's move in a circle. Okay, so what does Beyonce do in her amazing next move that everyone knows? Okay, the left knee is popped, okay? You're on your toe, and your right arm, okay, so it's opposite leg and arm. Your right arm comes forward. Obviously, you know, you've got to exaggerate your womanly features. Your right hand is in a fist. Your left knee is popped. 1, and then you switch it. 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, but Beyonce makes it tricky by opening her hand for the 1, 2, 3. Okay, so she goes slow, slow, fast, fast, fast. Okay, so the faster hand is open, and the slower hands are in her fist. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then of course she goes head, and then she goes fist, 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 fist. Okay, so we're gonna do this in a circle 4 times. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 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 Okay, and then we're gonna go back to our original positions for the second time. If you like it, then you gotta put a ring on it. So we'll just do the same as we did before, okay? If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. Don't forget when you see the ring on it. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. And that's the end of the chorus.